guys, this is Abhishek here and you're watching AB Motor Vlogs. Welcome back to the channel. After a long time I'm here at the unveiling of Interceptor and Continental GT650 here in Cuttack at Anmol Motors of Royal Enfield. Let's go inside and let's see the program first. So guys, here are the two bikes under the wrap and it will be unveiled soon. So here are my friends already waiting for the unveiling. Say hi to the camera, don't be camera shy.
With the twins in Odisha, but hopefully you'll be very happy to see the twins after it is unveiled. So I would like to hand over the video to Mr. Siddhartha, who will be explaining you about the history as well as about the background of the bikes to understand how these bikes were actually made into what it is today. So let's go forward to see the video. Questions have been raised regarding the vibrations, how we have actually killed it. So basically Royal Enfield has used a different engine altogether, and we have used a balancer shaft where the rotations are more smoother and the vibrations are reduced to a very extent. So now I would like to call upon the stage the first customer has booked the bike, Mr. Ashok Jangir, as well as two members of the DOC club to unveil the bike.
So we are unveiling the twins today, and here it goes to you.
So the order price for the Interceptor standard variant will be 2,84,299 rupees in Cuttack. The custom variant will be costing 2,92,319 rupees, and the most expensive Interceptor that you can get is for 3,05,685 rupees, which is the chrome variant. In GT, the GT on-road price for the standard variant is 3,338 rupees. The custom is for 3,08,357 rupees, and the chrome variant for the GT, which is the most premium bike that is being offered in this event, is for 3,21,724 rupees on road.
unveiling AI की सेल्फी टन सेल्फी क्या नहीं